G'day everyone, just received some cool bits of gear from the courier, courtesy of KL Australia. Some stuff to play with to help improve my video production. See what we've got. First up, Manfrotto monopod. Can't wait to play with this guy. This will be pretty handy considering I just have to send my Zhiyun Crane gimbal back for repair. Been thinking about getting one of these for ages, so I'm glad I finally got around to it. Alright, let's see, handle first. Goes on the side like so. There we have it. And now, feet. The most excellent part. Feet flop out, and just right in front of my face. There we go, so that cool little collar down the bottom can lock it in place. It's got to stay upright. This little button down here. Pull it up, and we've got fluid movement. Panning. Can't wait to give that a go. It's going to be great. Alright, yep, put a little lever inside, put a little lever in, and flips up. Cool.